Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube substitutes, imposters, or trolls. And I have a whole bunch of Burgh unboxing to do. I've already opened this one, and this is the Mojimoto. And they have a dog, a cat, a unicorn, a sun, a hamburger, a monkey that looks more like an aquatic monkey, something that looks like a milkshake, a rainbow. You can see them on the back. And this, and I thank the person who sent it to us. So this is supposed to, I've already turned it on. And you talk to it and it talks back. Hello. Hello. Not, but it doesn't. Hello. Hello. Trolls are bad. Trolls are bad. Trolls are bad. Bad trolls. Trolls are bad. Trolls are bad. Well, this is a cute idea, but, you can see it doesn't quite work right. And they don't give you any instructions. Now, he's moving his mouth, and it's very cute, but, George Senda is a great YouTube creator. George Senda is a great YouTube creator. That's what you get. So, George Senda loves cats. I love kitty cats. I love cats. See, I don't think there's a lot of memory in here. For the sake, it's very cute, but this is not a thing you should get. So I'll just hang him up and turn him off. But there's no instructions in this packaging at all. So I don't know who came up with this. But thank you for whoever sent it to me, but it is a failed item. I'm going to look inside here. Nope, there is nothing. So, cute idea, but doesn't work well. All right, Mojimoto, I will find a place for you somewhere. Hang you next to the other kitty. Turn you off. And sorry you didn't work. But there you go. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay safe. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. And my phone died. I had to buy another phone. My Cool Pad Surf, they turned it off without sending me any kind of a notice, email, or print. I don't do I don't like prepaid stuff, and it's still on, but I have no internet till tomorrow. Kathy's coming over. Okay, and I've got other Burgh unboxing to do. So enjoy your day. You'll see this later. Bye-bye.